Hey guys, Andy Demi here, hope you're well. Okay, so today I want to speak about trading books and whether you can use books to become a profitable trader. So firstly, let me start by saying there are some good books out there, but my focus when I read a book is psychology. I'm more interested in improving my mindset, okay, being self-aware so that I can improve as a person, because the person that you bring to the table is the person that's going to do the trading. It's the person that's going to make the decisions. Now, there are a lot of technical books, okay, that you can read, and you can get a lot of stuff for free as well on the internet. But in my experience, reading technical books with textbook theory, doesn't usually get you results. The reason is one, often the material that you're probably reading doesn't really work in a practical manner. The other thing is that ultimately you are still you with the same belief systems that you had before you picked up the book. And sometimes it takes a little bit of outside help to increase your understanding, but also your confidence when it comes to trading. So I really firmly believe that yes, you can learn from books. For example, Trading in the Zone, fantastic book, classic book, on psychology, or Brett Steenbarger's 101 Coaching Lessons, great, again, a nice, great psychology book. Or Market Wizards, the Market Wizards series, Market Wizards 1, Market Wizards 2, Hedge Fund Market Wizards, If there's any other good books, recommend them, put them in the comments. But when it comes to technical books, they're all the same, really. They're teaching the same stuff, patterns and trend lines and support and resistance and magic indicators, RSIs and MACDs and whatever else. But ultimately, you haven't really got a system, and that's what you need. So you need a system, a way of making decisions. So if you can build that yourself, fantastic. Like, it's got to be structured and rule-based. But in my experience, it's better to get some help. Get somebody who's able to mentor you, guide you, and give you their confidence. So, if somebody's been through trading and come out the other side and is successful, they have a certain level of understanding and confidence that they can almost pass that energy on to you, so you can have the same kind of understanding and energy as them. Okay, so it's almost like borrowing their energy and everything that they've built. Now, obviously, you've still got to do the work, but it's a real helping hand when somebody says, look, ignore this stuff, do this stuff, and then they kind of check up on you, and that's how you get faster results. Okay, so I would always advocate mentoring if you can do it, but if not, use baby pips, use forums, and use books like the ones that I recommended. And feel free, anybody who's listening to this video, if you've got any good books, especially on the mindset, stick them in the comments. It'd be great for everybody to get that additional help. Okay, so wishing you the best of days, good trading. Catch you again soon with another update. Take care. Bye bye.